Prowlers the game. देखो Prowlers the village. What on it? How are you? Below downtown takeover. Can you get Prowlers? Okay, okay. Are you hungry maintenant? Oh no. Mon vieux continue ce temps. Ah, you.
LOL.
Ouais. Mon vieux continue. Mais c'est quand tu réponds à you.
Mocha Pizu.
Ready to go.
Vous me demandez faire ça avec moi. Prowlers
Unapologetic.
Science.
As am I.
Unapologetic. As am I. Ah, Prowlers.
Introducing your champion.
I make it look easy, but I'm still the champ.
Baba easy, Baba champ.
What are you? The FNG?
Okay, cool. Skyhook.
First one through the door is usually the first one in a body bag.
This might be a good place to land. Cancel that. Going to check out over there.
Please, Ramia, reviens please, Ramia, reviens de là, genre. Mouse montre là.
About there. Time to kill.
Is that how I do it?
Consult your maps. We are spread out.
First blood on the enemy.
Olha, ok. Moment de vérité. Incrível. Oh my god.
Taking fire. Firing. Target spotted.
Oh my god.
Reload. Getting shot. Someone's got a death wish.
Oh my.
Gonna shut you up. Whole squad's taking a dirt nap. Reloading.
Wow. Vous avez ça les
Shields are recharging. Syringe here.
Saya pakai scope.
Healing my wounds. Healing my wounds. Enemy over there.
Oof. Disgusting. Ah, yes.
Down one. 1 minute until the nearby ring closes. Killed one. I have a subject in view. We're spread wide. Consult. Taking fire.
Let's go this way.
Target spotted.
Cancel that.
45 seconds. We should go here. Nearby. Taking damage. I have a subject in view.
Comment dire?
Just you and me now. Don't hold me back.
Only 30 seconds left on the clock. Keep eyes on the new kill leader.
Taking fire.
10 seconds. The ring is fairly close.
Warning. Ring closing.
The ring's moving, friends.
Ok, d'accord. Prowlers. Prowlers, man. Prowlers. Qui n'est pas Jeff. Prowlers. It is Prowlers. It is what it is. Prowlers.
Care package being delivered.
Man. What the fuck, man? Oui.
Surprise! I feel good.
How are you?
I am repairing myself.
Ok, ça veut dire vraiment qu'on va vivre au coup. Ok. D'accord. D'accord. Downtown takeover. Bloodhouse. This year, rival.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
That ring's far. I guess that means I have to move far. Repairing my damages.
Man, moi j'ai apprécié un truc là. Modèle hôtel, j'ai dû comme apprécier un petit peu. Ça fait des